Alright, right quick, I'm going to show you how to do the Mime makeup. And I put in my contacts so I could see what I was doing. I put the sponge, the wet sponge, in a little bitty dish so that if I need a little more water or if I need to squeeze it out, I have my Mime makeup here. Oh, that was the lid to the Mime makeup. I also have my eyeliner, my soft eyeliner ready. I have extra paper towels so when it drips all over me I can clean up right quick. And then I have face wipes so that I can get it off real fast. Okay, so let me show you how it goes. So I've got my sponge, very wet but not dripping. I squeeze a little bit of the water out. Okay, I'm going to get as much of that white onto my drips. Okay. Okay. Alright, so as much as that white onto my sponge as I can get, because I like to do this in one fell swoop, so that it goes on smoother that way. Okay, good. I make it like a mask over the top, down around the cheeks, down to the chin. Hide my lips. That way I don't have to put on lipstick if I don't want to. There we go. The white is on. If you need to pause the video, you're welcome to do so, of course. There are some spots that might absorb the Mime makeup, so you just touch it up a little bit. If you go back and get more white and try it, it actually takes off the white that you've already put on, I found. So then after I'm all done, I just kind of pat it to get that white spread around. Okay, good. Yes, I get it up in my nose. Oh well. Okay, good. Then it's the black eyeliner. Well, no, first it's blow dry. You want your face to be dry. The white. Okay. Now, I've left a little bit of skin showing so it's not right up to my eye, and that makes the perfect spot for getting that eyeliner on. I just go out to one side, then I do the same thing up above my eye there. Okay, now I'm going to do one line down. There we go. And then I go from up, because if I go down, my skin will snag in places. So I just go up like that. Okay, do the other one. Sometimes the white gets on there, and so I'll just take one of my paper towels and get it off right quick. Over the top, down, and up from the bottom. I hope that came out even-ish. Okay, not as even as I would have liked it, but it'll serve the purpose. Okay, now, pretty much, I'm done. You'll notice that I did not take my white and go right over my eyebrows. If I do that, I'll put on something to make those eyebrows a little darker because they are very expressive. If you want, you can put on lipstick. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. Really red is great, or black, that kind of thing. And that's it. That's my makeup. So, see you guys later with your makeup on. Oh, might want to practice this before Saturday's show. Okay, bye.